Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and delete Reddit account. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. It's going to be the simplest process ever. All you need to do is make sure that you are logged in into the right account that you want to go ahead and delete on any browser that you prefer. And once you've done that, all you need to do is on the top right hand, go ahead and click on your icon or your profile menu. And once you've done that, go ahead and click on the last button, which is going to be the settings tab. Once you've done that, you're going to be taken into this page. If you go ahead and look closely on the bottom below advanced, there is going to be a delete account tab. Simply go ahead and click on this arrow. Go ahead and enter your username, go ahead and enter your password, and simply go ahead and enter your reason for leaving. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tick mark this button right over here and simply go ahead and click on delete. Remember that if you go ahead and delete your account, your profile and username are permanently removed from Reddit, and your posts, comments, and messages are also disassociated. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.